What's going on YouTube? Bad Disturb back with another video for you guys, and today we're going to be going to my friend Mateo's house, installing a motor that he just picked up out of a PT Cruiser. It has like 5 or 10,000 miles on it, and we're going to be helping him install the motor, and we're going to see how well it goes, and we're going to see if we can get it running hopefully by the end of this video. If not, I'll do another video on that car once he gets everything put together, if we don't get it all done tonight. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Well, what I didn't get to film was us putting the motor in the car, guys, but what I do have is us working on the car. We got the motor mounts bolted in, so we removed the engine hoist out of the way, or cherry picker, or whatever you want to call it. Brian's going underneath the car, making sure all the wiring and the exhaust and all that stuff's hooked up in the back at this moment, and basically getting ready to put everything back together. Now, this motor that he got in this car, he cleaned it up and everything, and it's got about 5,000, I believe 5,000 miles on it, and he got a pretty good deal on it. I think he paid like, I think 500, I believe, but he got a pretty good deal on it, but he didn't have no one to help him with the car, so we decided that we was going to come down and help him, because he is a good friend of ours. But anyway, guys, Brian's underneath there. He's hooking, making sure everything's good to go while I'm filming the video here. I mean, I did try to help some, but I've been sick here recently, and I got something going on with my ankle at the moment. But back to the video. He's underneath the car, making sure everything's good to go, and we got the new motor mounts in. As you can see, he's got all solid motor mounts. We just installed those before the camera went on. We also went live on Facebook for a little bit on the Bad Disturb Facebook page. There's also a new page on Facebook. It's called Bad Disturb Just a Neon, and you can add me as a friend on there if you're not already a friend of me on my personal page. But I like to keep personal friends and friends of these cars separate, unless you're a really good friend of mine and you're on my personal page. But it's nothing personal, guys. I just try to keep everything separate. I don't mind talking to you on Facebook and stuff, but he's working on the wiring right now. He's getting ready to install the intake manifold, and he's getting everything ready and figuring how we're going to run this, and making sure everything's good to go. But we got he's hooking up all the sensors and stuff right now, but he just hooked up the cam sensor there. We got a lot of things coming for Bry's car. He's going to be going big turbo. I'm not sure the specs on what he's looking to get out of it, but I know he's got a lot of motors lined up just in case, so I imagine it's going to be crazy. And I've already told him he's going to be breaking a lot of axles and probably a lot of input shafts, and probably be blowing a lot of blocks, but that's why I try to keep mine reliable and fun, and because I can't afford to do that sort of thing. And some of you guys that own these cars know where I'm coming from. You understand that you only got a certain amount of money to put into this car, and you just can't afford to break anything. And that's one reason why I got the lifetime warranty on my axles, just in case something happens. Excuse me, just in case something happens, you know, we can take that axle out and it won't cost me a dime. But he's finishing up the wiring here. I believe Mateo's over in the corner. He's got another SRT right there That's Mateo's other SRT-4. It's actually up for sale if you're interested in it. I can direct you to Mateo, and he can tell you everything about it, and price-wise and everything. I believe now we pulled out all the paper and stuff, and there's another look at the SRT-4. And we're getting ready to put the manifold on. They was cleaning all the old gasket off over there on the little workbench. They was making sure it was all cleaned up and ready to go. By the way, I'd like to say Mateo does an excellent job on his valve cover. I might have to hit you up and let you do one for me, man, on my car, because I really don't like the way mine looks since I've seen yours. But I'll definitely have to hit you up sometime if you're willing to do that for me. But eventually I would like to get my engine bay cleaned up and making it starting looking nice and everything. That would be excellent, because looking at his engine bay, I can tell mine needs a lot of work, which I do take mine to car shows and stuff, but right now Bry's making sure everything's hooked up okay. He's still messing with the wiring, but I'm glad we was able to come down and help him out, because I know he wanted to get this car on the road so bad, and I'm just glad I was able to come down and do what I could for him. But anyway, back to the video. Yeah, Bry's going to be going big turbo, and over the winter I'm going to be putting a new clutch in my car. I'm not sure what to go with, so if you guys have an idea what kind of clutch I should use. People's been telling me a lot of bad things about ACT 6-puck and how bad they are, and I've always told to go with the 6-puck, but you guys can put your comments below and you can tell me which clutch you think would be the best for my car, if you know my car and know my build. But I really would like your guys' input on that. I want something that's going to hold the power and not slip, because the car is currently slipping on the setup it's on right now. And Mateo's right there. He's working on the, I believe it's the throttle sensors and stuff. Throttle positioning sensor, putting it and everything back on. And Brian's getting the wires ready for the injectors and intake manifold to go on. But yeah, once you've got a lot of hands, this is pretty easy to do, guys. I mean, I believe we had this motor in, I believe it was 5 hours, which obviously you're watching this. The motor's already in the car and we've already finished it. We've heard it run, but I wasn't able to get video of it running. But I can surely, we're going to be headed down that way probably next weekend, and I can get another video of the car. And if you guys are interested, hit the like button if you'd like more videos of Mateo's silver SRT-4. And they're working on the intake manifold there now, getting the old gasket off, Bry is. And just like to tell you guys that I really do appreciate everything you guys have done for us at Bad Disturb, and really do appreciate all the subscribers and all the support that we do get. I'm really shocked that we're at like 500 and some subscribers already. I really would like to get to 600 subscribers by the end of the year, but if not, that's fine. This channel's came so far from what it used to be. I'm still learning the YouTube stuff. I've been thinking about taking the Bad Disturb YouTube channel and moving it over to Storyfire. But I don't know how you guys would feel about that. Or half of you probably don't even know what StoryFire is. Let me know in the comments what you think about Badger moving over to StoryFire. If you have any questions or concerns about the channel, or if you would like a certain type of content, please let us know in the comments. I do read the comments. I do read the comments. That's why they're there. I leave them there. I leave them turned on. That way I can see what you guys say about my content. If you think my videos suck, let me know. It will not hurt my feelings. It just shows me what I need to improve on. But they're still working on getting this intake manifold on, and I know he was really excited to get this car together, and I'm just glad we was able to do it for him. But yeah, that valve cover really got me wanting mine something like that to mine. And he also did the cam gears right there. He painted them. I think it looks really good, but I don't know what would go good with blue though. But guys, we're almost got this thing wrapped up. It's getting to be winter time, and let us know what you got planned for your car over the winter. What's your plans with your SRT or your project car that you're working on if you don't have an SRT? But yeah, they're still working on that, and we'll go out here and take a gander at this purple SRT if you guys want to. This is Mateo's daily driver right here. Not had it very long. Don't really know much about it. Can't really get a... Sorry about the bad angle on the car. Excuse me. Yeah, we don't want you to see his license plate. God knows what you'll find on it. That kind of aggravates me when people cover their license plate, because a million people see it a day. You don't cover it then when you're driving. Sorry for the coughing, guys, but like I said, I was still kind of sick, and just getting over it. Feeling pretty good today, but let's go back in here and see if these two queers are doing. I mean, two buddies of mine. And they're just working away like little trolls, working away. But if you guys made it this far, I really appreciate you guys watching the video and subscribing. This really shows me that you really do support us and what we do. There's not many SRT-4 channels out there left, and I just want to let you guys know I really appreciate it, and thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to help us grow our channel. I just recently started up a Patreon page if you're interested in supporting us with $1 here, $1 there. I haven't really set it up yet, but once I do, I'll let you guys know about it. But that's all I got for you guys today. I'm Badger, Mopar, No Car. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.